Hello everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations, and I have my Mexican sweetbread. It is a Mexican chocolate sweetbread, and I'm going to go ahead and give you the ingredients in the description box below, but it is dry ingredients: 2 cups flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Wet ingredients: 1 egg, 3/4 cup milk, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and I throw in a dash of Mexican vanilla, but you can use regular vanilla extract. I preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and these sit in there for about 25 minutes. You pull and let them cool. Let them cool for about 10 minutes and then slice and serve. You can put melted butter. You can use Chantilly vanilla whipping cream, but this is it. And it is super good, tasty, and if you like Mexican chocolate, you'll love this recipe. You can use substitute for regular dark chocolate if you like. But subscribe, like, and share Slaughter Food Creations, and this is Paulie, and we'll see you here soon with a new recipe video. Bueno, también quiero hablar a mi gente en español, que esto es mi pan mexicana con chocolate mexicana. La receta va a estar en la descripción abajo, y espero que tú guste esta receta. And we'll see you soon. Chao. Hasta luego.